Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 11. And I'm going to be flying the Jet Ranger a little bit today. I've got Chad here, who I trained a whole bunch of years ago. And this is Chad. He's going to be doing some recurrency flying today. So it's been a little bit since he's done some recurrency. So we're going to go out and do all the emergencies, autos, and all the rest of it. And I'm going to bring Dalton and Graham with me as well. Dalton's here now, and Graham's still coming. So we're just giving the heli a pre-flight right now, and we are getting the bear paws off so that when we do our autos, we're not dragging the bear paws in the ground here. So that should be good.
But now they've modified this. Yeah, so they modified that. That is one of the things about an old aircraft that is actually can be to your advantage, because every time you crash an aircraft, they stop and ponder, why did this thing crash? Right. And then they make a tail rotor. So it's a different tail rotor than the standard Jet Ranger. The standard Jet Ranger has a sharp edge on this tail rotor. This gives it more tail rotor authority, and it lasts longer than the stock. Mischa's already checked that down about
It was almost full.
Oh, almost
yeah,
full.
It was nice and full.
What we find
Brian
with this one is,
off.
and I think it's probably most Jet Rangers, if you try to keep them too full, they leak a bit. It's just a reservoir. It's not like your engine where you want to keep it, right topped up your car. This is just pulling from a reservoir, and if you run the reservoir right full.
Looks like fuel's arriving.
Not very well, security seatbelt on.
Jet Ranger's flight's done. I'm out with Alex now again, and he's about to start up the 66 here, so he's just going through his checklist.
Alright. Landing lights off. Avionics off. Generator off. Altimeter set. Hydraulic switch on. Battery and strobe switches on. So battery on. Strobe on. Igniter enable. Area clear. Clear on the right. Clear on the left.
Okay.
Okay, so fuel cutoff.
Yep, so double checking that's off,
Make
double
sure
checking that our throttle is closed.
Closed.
Yep.
Alright, so put this
Okay,
away.
checklist away, yep, good. And we're checking MGT's nice and cold because we haven't fired it up yet today. So get ready with your starter button. Keep
Okay.
your hand off the mixture for now. And go ahead with the starter. So we're waiting for 15% here. Winding it up, winding it up, winding up. Okay, now go ahead, full fuel. Keep your hand on the fuel. Good, watching your temperature. Making sure that we're not going too high on that.
Yep.
That's looking really nice. Waiting for this to get up to 60 and then it's self-sustaining and stable. Okay, we're up at 60, that's good. You can install your mixture guard.
Okay.
And, alrighty guys, so today is the last day flight for Alex. It's a sad day, Alex.
No, I'm missing so much.
Oh man, it's crazy. We're just setting up for the So it was super turbulent up there. We figured out a way to come in on that was relatively stable, but not so great. Anyways, we're headed back to the airport now. Going to finish off the flight with a bunch of emergencies. Going to do some autos and hydraulics off and all that good stuff. So I feel like we almost ended up a little bit long on that one, so we'll watch out with that. So we're going to enter this in 3, 2, 1. Enter now. Collective down, throttle off. Keep that nose up. We don't want to go too fast. Raise the collective a little bit. Want to monitor our rotor RPM that it's not going to overspeed.
Watching the rotor,
watching the turn. We don't want to turn too early, otherwise we'll end up a little long. Okay, now lower the collective a little bit, and let's get that turn done. That's looking nice. Raise the collective a touch because of the rotor.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's looking good. Now we lower a little collective, keep in the middle of the green. We want to start gently slowing down, Okay, relax on the cyclic. There you go. Okay, so we're going for a nice flare now. And then we're going to level it out and gently pull forward cyclic, forward cyclic. All right. Woo. I think we can get that better. All right, so we're just in the middle of our recurrency training out with Chris right now, and we landed in Boundary Bay, and now we're just gonna grab some fuel here.
Good.
that's good. All right, so search and rescue looks like they landed here for some fuel as well. Nice. Wow. All right, so they're gonna show us around inside here. Nice. Wow. What's the general crew? How many guys do you usually have in this thing at a time?
5 is our general crew, so we have 2 pilots up front, a flight engineer, and 2 SARTechs.
Okay.
And yeah, this is the business end of the machine. So
Yeah.
where the 2 rescue hoists are, our stokes, the basket at the back,
Yeah.
and just all our SAR equipment. We're equipped like a ambulance, so we have all the same things that an ambulance would have,
Okay.
just in a not so comfortable space.
Yeah, exactly. Although much bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you mind if I look in the front in the
Yeah,
cockpit?
we're just going through kit right now.
Yeah, no worries.
See?
Brad?
Which 44 was that? Brad, it wasn't me, but it was, yeah.
Similar crew.
Sad. Don't know which one it is.
Yeah, how many have you picked off the mountain?
I've got this on 44, or 22.
Really?
I like canyon. I've done 1 or 2 in the day.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that must be a hell of a flight to the dark. We have goggles. Yeah.
You do it. And it's fine in the mountains? No?
It's more challenging. Shadows are.
Oh, yeah.
So, but
Yeah.
and you have no peripheral, so you're
Yeah.
you have to move your head.
Yeah.
So you get used to it. But probably anything we do in the day, we do at night. It's kind of just harder and darker and green.
Wow, this is amazing, you guys. It's the first time I've been in one of these things.
It's like an airplane.
It is like an airplane. That's crazy. So can we take it out for a spin? Do a couple autos?
Do you want to pay for the gas?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll trade you gas.
Yeah? All right, we'll take you for an hour in the 66. You go an hour in this thing?
I'll do like 40 seconds.
Yeah, 40 seconds. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.
Yeah, we'll brush at you. Patient.
Wow. That's amazing.
Size of that thing.
That's so crazy. It's like an airplane up front there. Man, you don't want to get picked up in one of those for the wrong reasons, but that's pretty neat. Wow. So that's technically the Augusta 101 is what the civil name for it is.